Here's how to enable visitor feedback after a chat using Lucky Orange's live chat tool. After a chat conversation, it's great to know if the chat was successful, if the visitor left frustrated, or if there's something that the operator could do differently. Let's make things a little bit easier by enabling feedback collection inside Lucky Orange. Quick note, only account owners and admins have the permission to enable this feature. So if you're a Lucky Orange user who's an operator and you think this would be helpful for your team, chat with your account owner or admin to enable this feature. All right, so you have to go to communicate from the left navigation, and then we will go to chat settings and behavior. Scroll down and find the section called feedback collection, and you can toggle this onto active. Once you toggle it on, it should turn blue and the not active should change to active. As it says here, when a chat wraps up, the visitor is prompted for quick feedback. The feedback widget is triggered when the operator archives the conversation. So to show the chat feedback window to somebody, you do have to archive your chat conversation so that shows up. So you'll see an emoji-based rating system that displays, and if the visitor selects a rating, then they get an open-ended text box to provide more feedback, to provide a longer, more specific message, kind of describing why they left that feedback.